the jungle VIP. I've reached the top, so I had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I wanna be a man, a maker, and stroll right into town and be just like those other men. I'm tired of mucking around, so whoopie-doo, I wanna be